Give me something. Give me something.
Oh, Charlie, you guys right here. Watch out.
Get out of here! Get out of here!
Guys, y'all can see that the rock throwing and a lot of rocks was really throwing and hitting the ICE officers. The protesters was very angry and mad. It's really jumping off down there, looking really bad. I just continue praying for them, and let's see how this will end. Just have faith in this. Okay, guys, let's back to it.
Jesus set me free. No bondage, no chains. Jesus set me free. No bondage, no chains. Jesus set me free. No bondage.
bridge like breaks or something. What? You want to feel the heat? Why aren't there any?
It must have just happened, babe.
All right, I am down in the center of the rioting here in LA. They've been gathering for the last hour or two. You can see behind me there's a whole line of National Guard troops. Listen, we cannot allow our cities to be taken over by violence and mayhem. It's time for the worshipers to rise up. June 14th, on Saturday, we're calling for worshipers to take over their cities with the presence of God, with joy, with hope. We want to invite you June 14th, guys. This Saturday. What we're doing here in LA tonight, we're bringing worship in the midst of this. We're going to do this across America on June 14th. This is a day we're calling a national day of worship and prayer, where we seek God for our nation to expel the violence and bring the love of God.